Okay.
Yeah, you are welcome to another online teaching. The name is Ing.Momoh Kenie. Just in case you have any comment, you can do that on WhatsApp through the number 076627336. Today we are going to look at one of the most critical and crucial topics in the physical chemistry, and that one is types of chemical reaction. If you are able to understand the types of chemical reaction, you can interpret it on all the basic reactions that we occur in the chemistry. Have in mind the entire chemistry, whether it is organic or inorganic or physical chemistry, will deal with physical reactions. So for you to be able to distinguish the various types of reactions or to identify the types of reaction will be a stepping stone to understand the basic chemistry involved. Now for you to do that, you go through chemical reactions. There are many types of chemical reactions in physical chemistry. The reactions we want to discuss now are the reactions that are in physical chemistry. So we'll take them one at a time. We'll be taking the reactions one at a time. Now the first reaction that we look at will be a simple combination reaction. Simple combination reaction or direct combination reaction. Direct combination reaction. Either it's a simple combination reaction or direct combination reaction. Now what reaction do we call direct combination reaction? If you're able to understand the analysis, anytime you see the reaction, you should know that this reaction is a direct combination reaction or simple combination reaction. How are you going to do that? You say a simple combination reaction is a reaction in which substances combine to produce a single giant compound. That means two or more substances will combine to produce just one compound. So in simple combination or direct combination reaction, two or more simple substances combine to produce a single compound. Now how can that happen? It can be in the form, there are two ways in which that is done. We can do it by reacting element plus element. This simple combination reaction can take the form element plus element equals big compound. Equals big compound. We say two or more substances combine to produce a single compound. So if that is the case, element combine with an element to produce big compound. Now let us get an highlight of that. In this form, if hydrogen, which happens to be an element, combine with oxygen, which is also an element, when that happens, they are going to produce a single compound known as water. So if when hydrogen and oxygen combine to produce water, the reaction is known as simple combination reaction. Because two elements are combining to produce a single compound, that reaction is known as simple combination reaction. Simple combination reaction can also take the form of one compound combining with another compound to produce bigger compound. It can also take the form of a compound plus another compound plus another compound to produce bigger compound. So there are two forms in which the simple combination reaction will occur. Either one element reacting with one element to produce one compound, or two or more compounds will react to produce bigger compound. So the reaction will be of the type, let us say we have lead 2 oxide. That one will combine with sulfur 4 oxides, or we can even take them in the form lead 4 oxides. Let us say lead 4 oxide this way, combining with sulfur 4 oxides this way. When they now combine, they are going to produce lead 2 tetraoxosulfate. You have PbSO4. You see the various mechanisms involved. So all what we are saying now, this is a compound. A compound is when two or more elements combine. They are lead and oxygen, they combine, so it's a compound. This is also a compound because sulfur and oxygen, they combine here. Now when compound reacts with another compound to produce just one compound, you call that simple or direct combination reaction. It can also be element reacting with an element to produce one compound.